Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So I posted a progress video of this bathroom several weeks ago. We finished everything up today. Got our Delta Intuition head in. Nice frameless shower door. All the tile work's completed. American Standard smooth side toilet. All the paint, bath hardware up. Vanities repainted, everything looks really nice. Quartz top, new mirror, lighting in place. Customer's going to be replacing the gold hardware, and this job is a wrap. So we can help you out with your bathroom remodels. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.